Okay.
Think I'm ready?
Chid, you have the floor.
All right. Good morning, everybody. So Made in Africa came out of the Liberian Women's Peace Movement, which was a grassroots women's movement that started in Liberia, ended the Civil War, elected the first woman president, and then in 2011 won the Nobel Peace Prize. And what that really did was show us the power of grassroots women. As we know, the system is broken when it comes to garments. And it's about a lot more than wages. We're here to innovate around wages, but this is actually about life and death. This is about workers' rights, and this is about their ability to build long-term sustainable incomes in a safe place. Made in Africa believes that Africa presents to us a complete chance to completely transform the industry. As Africa becomes a new location, somewhere where our industry is shifting to, we actually have the opportunity to address some of these issues around wages, workers' rights, excessive overtime, and so on. And we use our factory in Liberia as a test case. In Liberia, our factory is partially worker-owned. It was the first fair trade certified factory in all of Africa. And the workers actually share in a piece of the profits. So our hope now is to scale our project throughout Africa, and again, build a network of these factories. But to do it alone, factory by factory, would actually cost almost $500 million. So what we're trying to do now is amass a network of existing infrastructure and unlock them to actually achieve our purpose of thousands and thousands of jobs with living wages. Our model is actually quite simple. It's focused around trade financing and financing the working capital in all those factories. We present them with a purchase order. L&J, our parent company, actually started by getting $40 million of orders our first year. So our idea to a new factory is that we would present that factory with a contract, also present it with the financing, and then train them with the ability to achieve what they need to. And what's so innovative about our trade financing is that whenever we make a loan, the interest rate is based on the environmental and social impact. So if you start a factory and you put a literacy program in, we'll bring your interest rate down. If you give workers a share of the profits, we'll bring the interest rate down. So the pattern is all set for this, the fabric is cut, and now we just need you to join us and sew this thing up. I've seen women rebuild their lives after a war through this work. I have seen them become property owners for the first time. I've seen them gain their freedom after being married as child brides at the age of 13 and 14. So this, to me, really shows the power of a real living wage. Thank you so much.